So from the financial side, from FinTech side, of course, the disruption and inclusion in technology is crucial, but there is also one more thing for the end customer is the lack of education. So, for example, just if we take in account the WhatsApp app, I have grandmother. She's 89-year-old. So like 5 years ago, she didn't want to touch the phone. And after I showed her how to use, she's sending me now the pictures every day. So the same thing is about the longevity fintech, about the technological inclusion. The only problem is the lack of education, lack of accessible education, webinars, etc. Or even if like they have a book about how to use mobile internet. There are some companies, especially telecom companies, who are issuing books for the senior generation. And because of this, they're getting more and more customers. So yes, those are my £2 or even 2 cents.
Okay, however, I would like to add here that I would not agree with you about this education, because there is also a problem of ageism, and that financial institutions are actually suppressing rights of all people, considering them as, you know, like all, not only disabled physically, but kind of like mentally disabled, which is not the truth, because in reality, what I do see that, and we actually made, you know, research that all people actually now becoming digitally sophisticated very quickly, internet sophisticated, and they are now, you know, start to be quite capable to use, you know, different mobile devices. However, the problem is that industry is not producing their devices, because the only device which they actually can use, it's only iPad, not a smartphone. So this is the problem of communication device. If there will be more devices with simpler software specifically designed for all people, this will be, you know, very, very kind of changing point for fintech industry. But of course, you're having this longevity card. I think you will be the first in the field.
Also, I wanted to add, Dmitry, that I totally agree with you. It's an excellent point. And for this particular case, to make like perfect seamless user journey for our like users, we are partnering, I can't tell the name currently, but we are partnering with several national research universities who will help us to develop this seamless user journey. So I totally agree with you, and thank you.
Yep. However, the card is not only for all people, but for everybody, including young.
Oh, where's my card?
Exactly.
It's like
so, Sergey, when the card is actually planning to be launched in the US, by the way?
In the US, we're expecting Q2 2021.
And currently it is UK and Europe, right?
Yes, exactly.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Okay, so now we have to go to Europe. You know, I think a group trip